as I traverse this small area of the river. Just to let you know, this is just south of the footbridge of Whetstone Park, which is just south of Henderson Road. It's late summer with an overcast day, and it may rain this afternoon. It's probably about 1 p.m. Should be a great hour of fishing.
Okay, well, we're down here at the secret fishing spot, or at least one of them here on the Olentangy, and it always yields a fish or two.
And what I'm going to use today
is a topwater spitter lure, and it's an older one. It's called a skitter pop. All right, let's go see if we can't catch us fish. I see my spot already, right up there. I want that log, that's it. Like I said, I got time to catch one. This is a good spot. I'm sure it would yield a few fish. Alright, well, it's the first smallie, and there was just a few casts in there. And he's definitely a keeper, and he was a fighter. He's fat. Topwater lure. I'm going to say he must be about 13 to 14 inches. Let's get him back in the water, though. Right here, just south of the bridge, the footbridge, Whetstone Park.